Her vital statistics, 34, 24, 34. Educational attainment, college level. Ambition in life, Doctor of Medicine.
Our candidate number 3 is Miss Daisy Reyes. Daisy is only 18 years old, tipped the scale of 120 pounds, is 5 feet 9 inches tall, believe it or not. She's 35, 25, 35. Is a BS education graduate, and she wants to be a very good educator. Our candidate number 3, Miss Daisy Reyes. Miss Rosana Rosas, candidate number 2. Daisy Reyes, candidate number 3. Is Minorca Mercado, our lovely 18-year-old, stands 5'7", tips the scale of 125, vital statistics 35, 24, 36. She's a college student, and her ambition is to be a hotel and restaurant management.
Towering Shasha Padilla. She's just 20 years old. She stands 5'7". Her vital statistics
5 to 6. Dainara Torres, Minorca Mercado, and Miss Shasha Padilla. In the 1997
attainment, college graduate, ambition in life to become the first gay astronaut. Would you believe it?
Our exotic candidate number 8 is Miss Dawn Silvera. She's only 18 years old, stands 5'7", and is only 118 pounds. With measurements, eat your heart out, Gene Altabas, 35, 24, 36. She's a second-year college student, and she wants to manage a restaurant someday. My God, those guys can't control their groins with this lovely girl. Our candidate number 9.
Candidate number 9, Eileen Leng Damiles. She's 19 years old. She stands 5'8". Her vital statistics 34, 24, 36. She is a master graduate, and she wanted to become president in the country. She wants to be the president of the Philippines.
One of our best 3 candidates. Candidates number 7, Ms. Charlene Gonzalez. Candidate number 8, Don Silveta, and lovely Eileen Lang Damiles, candidate number 9. In the 1997 Miss Gay Sinulog swimsuit competition. Her lookalike, Miss Georgia Ortega, is only 20 years old, stands 5'10", with vital statistics 35, 25, 35. She's a fine arts college student, and she wants to be just as successful housewife after college. Our beautiful candidate number 11, Georgia Ortega.
Candidate ambition in life to become rich and famous.
But isn't she already rich and famous? That's candidate number 12, Miss Evita Perron. And our candidate, but certainly not the least, in this year's swimsuit competition is candidate number 13. Who answers to the name of Tiffany Hamilton. Tiffany Hamilton is half English and half Filipino. She's only 19 years old and is 5'11". The challenge you could tip the scale of 160 pounds. Don't we always have that kind of ambition? But all of us are pretty lucky. Okay, so those are the last 4 candidates in our swimsuit competition, and this year's 1997 Miss Gay Cebu. There you have it, theme, our lifestyle gym.